The recipe of the week is Rosemary Crispies revised with pro tips. Check out the video and follow Protective Diet on YouTube for more promotional videos of how to navigate protective diet education and the over 800 protective recipes to date. Oh my gosh, here I am in my outdoor kitchen because my kitchen, my workplace for wellness on the inside, is demolished and under construction, and I'm super excited to share this new beautiful backdrop for protective diet education community and showcase a lot of my older recipes that have been buried by all the new Rosemary Crispies and others. But during this time, I'm having so much fun testing in my outdoor kitchen. Just wait till you see what's coming up. I'm super geeked, super excited about my protective diet and sharing it with you. Take care.
In best of health.